What's up, you guys? Hey, got a lot of questions over Instagram and Facebook about how I came up with the Steele Mixer, and he decided to come join the video. What's up, Marley? Anyways, so I thought I'd do a quick video, show you my great-grandfather's mixer, which I've got. Show you a couple of pictures of the prototypes that I've done, how to get to where I'm at right now. Super proud to say that I'm a veteran-owned company, 4th generation contractor, and our product is made in the USA. So check it out. Here it is. This is my great-grandfather's concrete mixer. It's pretty safe to assume, because I got it from my grandfather, that it's been remodeled quite a bit, because I doubt they had certain parts on this thing back in the 50s. You'll notice that it's a heart shape, and so it mixes concrete pretty good, man. Way better than a wheelbarrow. And I'm gonna let you see inside here in a minute, but this thing has mixed a lot of concrete. It's pretty cool because my great-grandfather, or my grandfather, I don't know, unfortunately they're both dead right now. There's a lock here that holds it in the upright position, and I'm thinking that was for transporting. Not sure. I have no lock on mine to hold it in the upright position. You know, some people said, hey, you should put a lock, and we don't need it. You put the water in, you hold it and put the water in, grab your bag, and if it moves over a little bit, that's not a big deal. But there's also a lock in this position, and I have that as well. It's pretty cool though. He has these axles on here that are like bearing axles, and they have, yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty stoked to have this piece of history, our family history, and I'm sure that my great-grandfather, grandfather, and dad up in heaven are smiling down on how far I've taken this mixer. So this was my third prototype. Third prototype. And I got a lot of people asking about, hey, can I buy one of these wooden ones? And the answer is they're not for sale, and I'll tell you why. One, it's so hard to build because you got to screw. First of all, you got to bend this metal, right? That was a battle in itself to figure out how to do this. Secondly, you got to hold these two pieces of marine grade plywood perfectly, and then bend this and bolt it and screw it and bolt it and put these little end pieces so this isn't a sharp unless you want to fold the end there. And plus shipping, man, these things are not light. Like my whole new unit that I sell weighs 34 pounds shipped. This weighs 34 pounds, just this, not the frame. And you know, the plastic ones, they're made out of recycled plastic, so they're gonna last a lot longer. And then also cleaning the plastic ones out. Like if you forget to get some of the little concrete out, you just take your hammer real quick and pop it, it pops out, and whoop, done. Washing those are way easier. The plastic ones are way easier to wash. This one, you'll see there's a bit of concrete on the inside that I loaned it to a buddy, and he didn't quite clean it out all the way. Damn it. It's all good. Anyways, this is a pretty cool one. It's nice to have these steps and still have the prototypes. Running out of room though, but anyways, yeah, this is the marine grade plywood version, not for sale. Maybe someday I'll build another one and have a little auction off. Not maybe an auction, but maybe we'll do a little drawing, huh? That's probably what I'll do. Next 4th of July maybe, huh? Right on.